this soup is so easy to make. I mean, it's super easy to make. It is fun packed. It's got amazing tastes, aromas, and it's really good for you. A beautiful soup. Let's get moving. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here, and it's very simple. So in here I've got some red dal, about 2 cups, potatoes, about 3 cups of potatoes or 2 large potatoes, 1 onion, tablespoon of garlic. In here, these are the spices that I'm using today. So I've got a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of cumin, and 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. Carrots, I've got a couple of just regular sized carrots there. Cilantro or coriander, 1 bunch. This is so easy. Let's get moving. So you're going to need a large pot. I've got my one here, and a lid. And in there I've got some oil. I've put some olive oil in there. Now, like I say, when I say easy, check this out. In goes the onion. In goes the carrot. In goes the garlic. In goes the dal, or the lentils. In go the potatoes. Now, if you wanted, you could put some celery in here or some fresh tomato. And it doesn't matter how you cut everything, because we're going to liquidize it anyway. Very simply, on a kind of fairly lively heat, above medium heat, let's just go for about 4 minutes. Okay, so all we've done here is just get it kind of going a little bit. Everything here is extremely hard still. Next up, we're going to put in our spices. Teaspoons here. 1 of the turmeric, 2 of the cumin, and 3 of the coriander. I like that mix. And if you wanted, you could just get a bit of curry powder in here. You might have a mixed curry powder in your cupboard or something like that. You could just use that. I'm going to get some salt. And I'm going to get some black pepper. I'm going to give this another mix. And then we're going to add some water. Well, I'm adding water. If you want, you could use a stock or something, but I'm just going with straight water. Enough to cover it over there. A couple of pints maybe, or something like that. Right, we're going to bring that to the boil. Once it's on, it reaches boiling point, we're going to go on a nice rolling boil. So I'm going to turn the heat up to high, get it to boil, then I'm going to get it on a kind of medium, let it roll around. And we're looking for baby food here, aren't we? So we want those potatoes and carrots and that nice and soft. Probably going to be about 15 to 20 minutes. Lid on. Okay, so we're about 20 minutes now, so let's jump in and have a look. And that is looking really good. Now, let's just check this out. Yeah, super soft, the potatoes. Nice and soft. The carrots. Now what we're going to do is add in a nice bunch of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. And to that, I'm going to add 400 ml of coconut milk. Off goes the heat. Check it for seasoning, salt and pepper. What we're going to do now is we're going to liquidize this. Now I've got one of those ones that go in there, you know, and whiz it up. It's going to be absolutely wonderful. Let me do that. And that is beautiful. beautifully smooth. I like that consistency. That is absolutely delicious. Well done everyone for doing that. A bowl of this is going to do you good. And there you go. So we've got those lovely lentils in there, beautiful vegetables, smoothed out with the cilantro and the coconut milk. That is an absolute winner. I hope you enjoy that. Please do try it out. I'm going to tuck into 1, maybe 2 or even 3 bowls of that right now. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's gonna happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm gonna get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great. We hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.